How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1964 Chevelle Malibu SS. This is a true SS. It's got the numbers match motor in it. Super cool car. It's done in an Arctic white. It's also known as cameo white. The car was restored several years ago. People have driven it and enjoyed it. See, the front bumper's all been re-chromed. The grill and headlight bezels, all those moldings are in really good shape. Car's nice, straight down the sides. And a nice set of vintage Krieger SS wheels. So the trim on the back of the car is the original, and it's in really good condition. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the white top to match. It is a manual top. Goes up and down one person. Very easy, one-handed. It's the original 283. Believe it had been rebuilt. It's got factory 4-barrel. It's got the dual snorkel, chrome air cleaner. It's got power steering, power brakes. And this is a 4-speed car. It's got a Muncie 4-speed. The factory bucket seat interior. Got the gauge dash, retrofit radio. Tell you what, the blue interior is really, really nice. Jams all look good. It's got the factory jack spare. Comes with a nice custom car cover. Got some other paperwork on the car. And all the interior in the car is in very, very nice condition. I'm sure it's been all replaced. The dash is real nice. You know, and the factory console, original console is in excellent condition. They did put front seat belts in it. It's got the dual mirrors. Fires right up. You just wanted to make sure I heard that, didn't you? Nice dual exhaust on it. It's real nice and quiet, you know, especially for a convertible. It makes it nice. Tell you, and this car rides and drives great. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Also, you can follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.